I'm in a house that hasn't been cleaned in 11 years, and the toilet bowl under the rim is impacted with grime and limescale and God only knows what. This toilet has already been thoroughly scrubbed, but I now need to use an acidic toilet bowl cleaner. This is how I, as a cleaning professional, use a toilet bowl cleaner. So this one is hydrochloric acid is the primary ingredient. So I'm going to basically do under the rim first. I've just flushed the toilet as well to allow it to basically run down like so. So I'm going to put a really good dose on this, and I'm also going to go at the top of the rim here just to let that get inside it. And you can probably see all that grimy, nasty whatever inside it there. But also, just as a final, and I would only do this once a year, I'm going to put a little bit directly into the toilet tank. And I mean this, guys, do this once a year only, and that's going to deal with all of the residues in here, but also it's going to go down through the system and flush out any of the caked in limescale that's in the water flow system that feeds the bowl. So I'll come back to this in about 30 minutes when it's done its job. Okay, so roughly half an hour later, let me see if I can get a good angle on this. And this should, yep, this is just sleuthing right off for me. All of the hard water stains that were around here. Sorry, this is terrible camera work. All of the hard water stains that were around here are coming right off. And the toilet's gonna live to fight another day. I had a little look in the tank earlier and it's taken a lot of the hard water deposits out of there too. You'll have to take my word for it because this is a bit difficult to do and take a video as well. So that is how you use toilet bowl cleaner.